Hi everybody, Tetanus Risk back with you to introduce you to my new 2000 GMC Safari SLT all-wheel drive. Just picked this up a week ago. Very excited to get it. I'll be doing a few videos on this as I work on it. It needs brakes, it's spitting a bunch of codes. I want to put a lift kit in it. It needs tires. I might keep an eye open for rims as well. It's got 132,000 kilometers. For you guys south of the border, in miles, that's a lot less. About 80,000, I guess. 80,000 miles. It was oil sprayed. We're up in the Rust Belt here, the Salt Belt. It was oil sprayed, well, for I think about the first 15 years of its life. The last 2 years or so, it's sat because like the seals are all dirty. There's leaves in the like in the doors and stuff. There's mouse evidence in it. It's got the rear Dutch doors. It's in pretty good shape. There's rust here and there. Starting. Time to grab that is now. Yeah, looking forward to playing with this. It's in pretty good shape. It's a great grandpa color combination here. I'm going to be doing some videos on it as I mess around with it and order parts. It's spitting a bunch of codes. It needs brakes. It will need tires. I think the two back ones are cracked. It's got the beautiful duck bell on it there, the visor. If that doesn't scream grandpa, I don't know what does. So you'll see more of this thing coming up. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. And I'll see you back here soon. Thanks for watching.